Hey guys, Michelle Huber with Century 21 Results here at 5324 Cavender Creek Road in Dahlonega, Georgia. Just walking distance to the Etowah River, famous for trout fishing. Also just minutes from countless wineries in the historic town square. So I can't wait for you to take a look. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, unfinished basement, situated on an acre, no HOA. So let's go take a look. All right, guys, that's a wrap for me here. Now it's time to hit the wineries and grab me some lunch. Don't forget, you're looking to buy or sell, call Michelle.